This is a 2022 Bentley Flying Spur, a four-door, ultra-luxury sedan you can own for just under $300,000. We got our hands on one with custom styling, extra gadgets, and a recently available V8 engine. To find out what it actually sounds like and feels like to drive. The first thing you'll notice in the interior is the Flying Spur's rotating display. On one side is a 12.3-inch touchscreen. On the other, 3 analog gauges, a thermometer showing the outside temperature, a chronometer, and a compass, surrounded by 200-million-year-old stone veneer, which also circles the dashboard. It's just one of the options, courtesy of Bentley's custom shop, Mulliner, which also adds diamond leather quilting patterns for seats, 3D leather design for door panels, and outside, 22-inch wheels. While the James Bond-like rotating display, made up of 153 individual pieces, is mesmerizing to watch, it's the touchscreen where you'll find controls for the actual gadgets, which include massage seats with 5 different modes and intensities. But the real luxury is for the rear seat passengers, who get headrests as soft as pillows. There are flip-down vanity mirrors on both sides, so you can make sure you're looking your best before you open the door. In between the front seats is a small touchscreen tablet, and if you tap the eject icon, the tablet can be removed and held like a smartphone. They can be used to control everything from music and cabin temperature to the sunroof and window blinds. The tablet can even be used to reveal the Spur's crystal inlaid pop-up hood ornament, the Flying Bee. Despite being almost as heavy as a Rolls-Royce, at up to 5,372 pounds, the Flying Spur doesn't drive like a chauffeur's car. It's built on the same platform as the Porsche Panamera and has high-powered anti-roll bars like Lamborghini's SUV. That means the Spur turns corners like a sports car, especially if you shed some pounds by choosing the new V8 engine. Even without the beefier W12, it still manages a top speed of almost 200 miles per hour and goes 0 to 60 in just 4 seconds. No matter the engine, the Spur is effortlessly fast, even if the V8 revs just a little louder to get up there. The Spur's air springs and adaptive dampers make it so you can barely notice a bump in the road. The car's 4 drive modes, Bentley, Comfort, Sport, and Custom, change the settings for throttle response, suspension, steering, traction control, and more. While Bentley mode provides the perfect balance, Sport mode is necessary to hear and feel just what this car can do.